Georgia, yeah. Killing me, hoe need to compare mix. New Fendi brothers, I feel airblitz.
Hey love muffins, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. I actually did this video on Instagram Live, or did this look on Instagram Live with you guys. So you guys might have seen it on there, but I told you guys I will have all the information in the video. So here I am. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I believe this is in Deep, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes. I already like color corrected with my orange concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer, so if my face looks a little orange, that's why. I also wanted to go in with my Estee Lauder foundation, but I forgot. That's why I was like, oh shit. So I just ended up using my Lancomé foundation in 460 Suede. I'm going to have to go up to 470, I believe, but you know, I was able to tweak it just a little bit because, you know, I am a little darker because of the summertime, springtime, whatever you want to say. So yeah, so I'm just going to stipple that all over my face, and we're going to go in with some more concealer, and of course contouring with my Anastasia Espresso. No, yeah, I think this is the shade Walnut. Yeah, it's their foundation stick, and I'm just using that to cream contour. So just watch me blend this out because, you know, it's really important to make sure there's no line demarcation or anything like that going on. I do have lash extensions, so I'm sure the title of this video is going to be like how I do my makeup with lash extensions or something like that, because it's really difficult, honestly, but I really like how my lashes turned out, so I'm here for it. But yeah, so just the typical situation. You guys haven't seen me use my foundation all over my face in a while, but I wanted to because I know that I really love this foundation, and it always looks really flawless on my face, so I didn't mind putting this foundation all over my face. So yeah, but really simple. If you guys have a favorite foundation, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always looking forward to trying new foundations. I will end up doing the Estee Lauder foundation tutorial with you guys because that's my first time ever trying that foundation, and I heard a lot of positive things about it. So I'm excited to like show you guys, you know, how it is for me. Like, what do I think about it? And I will leave, you know, the information in that video to the color that I actually got matched to. So as you can see, I'm just contouring my nose and just highlight it a little bit more. And I'm using the same beauty blender just to blend out my face and my contour. And this just makes sure like the, you know, color is, you know, kind of comes back to my face and nothing is just flat. Contouring is just about adding dimension and squeezing things in to make it look tighter or, you know, wider or whatever your type of thing is when you do contour and highlight. So, you know, it wouldn't be a tutorial if I didn't add a little bit more concealer. So I'm just going to conceal again, and I'm also going to use my Mercier powder to set my under eyes and to set around my mouth. I am combination skin, so I do have to set my makeup. I don't like setting all over my face with the Mercier powder, but I like just doing underneath the eyes, around the mouth. And those are the areas that gets the most oily, so I just kind of feel like I need to put extra powder on it. I do want to do the Jackie Aina method that she uses powder underneath her foundation just to see how well it will work for me personally. So I think I might end up doing like the Jackie Aina tutorial, whatever, you know, that little thing that was going around YouTube. So trying to follow somebody else's tutorial. So if you guys have any other suggestions you guys want me to do for that type of video, let me know in the comment section below, because it's about doing other things with my channel. I don't want to just, you know, bore you guys with the same stuff. So yeah, and if you guys were interested, this hair is from Dsoar hair. This is their loose wave. I did cut it. It didn't need to be cut, but I didn't really know what I wanted to do with this hair. I felt like I have so much loose wave, you know, that I just kind of wanted this short, but it actually came 24 inches, and I cut it up to probably like 20 inches. But what I just used on my face was my Makeup Revolution drops in the shade Gold, and that's just to give me like a more inner glow before I go in with all this powder. And of course, I'm going to top that with a powder highlight towards the end. I went in with my Mercier powder and mixed it with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this is just to set the rest of my face. I'm also going to go in with my Sephora like Sun Bronze kit, and I'm just using one of those shades just to pretty much bronze up my face. I mean, I'm here for it because I feel like it gives like this like really like natural looking like bronzy look to my skin. But it's something about it. I feel like it's a little bit too red, and it kind of like reminds me of blush, and I really hate blush on my face. But, you know, after I set my face, I feel like it all, like, you know, just melts into my skin. It looks really, really healthy. So I'm not mad at it, but I just have to, you know, wait for the finished product for me. So as you can see, I was like all up close and personal to you guys, just to let you guys see how it looks, and to also make sure that there was no like line demarcation with my neck and from that, because I am 2 different shades, to be honest with you guys, and it's so hard for me to find the perfect foundation shade for me, especially when I'm in between like my summer shade and my winter shade. I went in with Artist Couture, and I also went in with this Becca highlighting palette. I will list it in the description box below because I don't know it off the top of my head. So, yeah, and I just used that same bronzer just to put underneath my eyes and on top of my lids. But I used some of my foundation just to cover all of my hyperpigmentation on my eyes. So, yeah, I'm just going to waterline. I'm using my Wet n Wild nude pencil, and I'm going to go in with my Mary Kay mascara for my bottom lashes, and of course I don't need any for my top because I have lash extensions. So really, really simple. I'm going to go in with Cork, and I'm also going to go in with Cork, and I'm also going to go in with Naturally Transformed and a clear lip gloss. You guys know that this has been my favorite lip combination. I just have been really boring with my lips, and I just don't know why. I really feel like this is just my favorite, so why would I switch it up? You know, it is what it is, so don't be mad at me. But I'll try something new soon, I promise. I have so many lip shades, but I think I'm just getting comfortable with this one. So yeah, so I'm just like decided that I wanted to wet Dsoar's hair just to you know, give it some more body or whatever, or bring the curls back to life, or the wave back to life. Now this hair is super, super soft. I dyed it jet black, and I just love this hair. The only thing about this situation is I ended up having a closure in my package. I didn't want a closure. I wanted a frontal. I don't like closures at all. Like, I hate them with a passion because I make wigs for myself. So it's like sometimes I like doing stuff like this, and I feel like I can't flip my hair over because like it's just a closure. Like, so if you're into like weave and you wonder if you should get a closure or a frontal, I will always say get a frontal because it just makes more sense. But I just added some Aussie leave-in conditioner spray in it, and I just wet it just a little bit with some water, and that's pretty much it. Glasses is from a mall kiosk. I got these glasses from my beauty supply store. It's a black-owned beauty supply store at that, so I was here for it. I bought 3 shades from there. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you babies in my next video. All the products will be listed in the description box below.
Lifetime my hats, cause you always be capping. Niggas ain't eating, start capping, you fasting. Can't get no sleep, cause my life is all action. See how shit happen, I made it in rapping. Go your pop, rats in a quarter, jiggle drum, killing me, hoe need to call paramedics. New Fendi runners, I feel athletic. Running shit up by my partner, a pack. Blowing this cash, it was time.